All right, so right here, you have the total collateral, right? And then you have the total borrowed. Yeah, this is a different account. That's fine. Yeah. So, and you have the limit, right? So in this case, I have 11,000 or $1,100 or $11,000, and then my limit is $7,700, and then my total borrowed is $5,800. So the health factor is this divided by this. So if my total borrowed gets 1-to-1 with the limit, then my health factor is going to be 1. Okay. This one, for example, I have $3,400 of FXRP and I have $800 borrowed of USDT 0. So in this case, my limit is almost $2,000 and I only have 800. So here, my health factor is 2.36. All right. So if I screenshot this, and then you go here and you say, what is my liquidation price for FXRP? So collateral 3,400, borrowed 83 to 830, held factor 2.36, borrow limit almost $2,000. So your liquidation threshold is around 57%. I already knew that. So the liquidation for price for FXRP. So that means that right now at 0.80, so that's more than 50% from where we are right now, that's where I start getting liquidated. Okay?
Well, you say start getting liquidated?
Yeah, so the moment, so liquidation is not on all or nothing. It's more like you have a collateral factor, and then you have the collateral factor, and then you have the borrow. So because you have more collateral than borrowed, if you do start getting liquidated, when you get liquidated, you remove collateral, but you also remove debt. But then every time you get liquidated, your health factor is going to be higher than when you started. So as soon as your debt becomes like your limit becomes higher than your debt, you can't get liquidated anymore.
So can you add some more cash in some sort?
Yeah, for sure. Make a simple